The secret to success, do this even if you've had a bad week, and that is this one thing. Remember that persistence is potentially more important than consistency. Here's what I mean. You might have said, I need to be consistent, 3 sessions a week, 2 sessions a week, get a workout in, get my steps in. You've not done that. And therefore we go into perfection mode. So consistency becomes perfection mode, which means we're not persistent. When actually persistence is the key. What I mean by this is, let's say you've had a bad week, you've had a rubbish week, you haven't done what you said you would do, but today is an opportunity to go again. Just do it, even on a day you wouldn't normally do. That is the secret. And on that topic, if you need more accountability to do that, we've got our free 5-day kickstart beginning on Monday. The group opens later today. So if you click a link around this video here somewhere, there will be a link to register for our free 5-day where we are looking to put together a simple plan, short workouts you can do on your busiest, most stressful days to stay persistent rather than perfection and consistent. Hope that helps. I'll hope to see you there. Click the link around there. We'll add you to the group ready to start on Monday. I'll be live Sunday evening as well, just introducing it, how you're going to get a plan together, how you're going to get short 10-minute workouts you can do, no equipment, busiest, stressful day, and even a food plan, nutrition plan that you can do also on your busiest, most stressful day, and how to stay on track even around the festive period. I will see you then.